Good to know that. Yes, let's start. Probability of A can be written as what? P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. What is this N of A now? N of A is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes, and N of S is what? Total number of possible outcomes. Yes, good evening, good evening. Next one. So there are different classification of probability, that and all. Right now I am not directly going there because I know that it's just you can read it out since it is a revision. Now people, the maximum value of probability is how much? The maximum value of probability is always 1 and the minimum value is 0. And a probability value cannot be negative. Remember that. Now the next one. We will go for the basic one. That is when it is mutually exclusive. Okay. When it is A and B are mutually exclusive events, P of A intersection B is equal to what? 0. You will see it in the nearby future. Yes, Lakshmi, I am from Kollam. Yes, Gayatri, good evening. Swati, good evening. Good evening. Oh, good night itself directly. Yeah, okay. Then, we'll start off with the sample space part. Here, now tossing a coin, we have, in general, we will write number of total sample space of tossing a coin is 2 raised to n. If I am tossing for one time, then N of S will be how much now? N of S is equal to 2. That means 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, we have few offline students also. Let them also settle. Yes, yes, yes. Please, 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 please settle. Ah, too many people are there. Okay, till 10. Is it? Oh, okay, okay, fine, fine. Till 10 o'clock we are there. You guys are aware about that, right? Okay, perfect. Please, please. Till 10, 1 hour. Okay. Yes. Well, continue then. So, coming to the sample space part, you know that for tossing a coin, what is the general rule of writing sample space? 2 raised to n. If I toss it for one time, N of S will be how much? 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. What is the sample space? One possibility is it can be head. The other possibility is what? It can be tail. So, 2 possibilities, head or tail. 2 possibilities are there. Now coming to 2 times. When you are tossing it for 2 times, it is what? 2 raised to 2. N value will become what? 2. That means 2 raised to 2 is how much? 4. That means total sample space is equal to how much? 4. Now what are the possibilities? First time I toss, I got head. Second time I toss, I got head. That is one possibility. Then first time I toss, I got head. Second time I got tail. Then tail, head. Then another possibility is what? Tail, tail. Likewise, 4 possibilities are there for us. Okay. Now, if I ask you a question, what is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads when I toss it for 2 times? Exactly 2 heads. N of A will be how much? N of A is equal to 1. N of S is anyway how much? 4. So, probability is what? 1 divided by 4. Okay. Yes, Nakshatra, good evening. Swati, good evening. Yes. We will do time value of money quick revision also one by one. We will go ahead. Okay. Then, when a coin is tossed 3 times, 2 raised to 3, 8 possibilities will be there. And these are the possibilities. Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. And finally, first toss tail, second toss tail, and third toss tail. That is tail, tail, tail. Now I will ask you a question. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads when I am tossing it for 3 times? People, at least 2 means 2 or more. That means which are possibilities? 3 head is one possibility. Then head, head, tail is another possibility. Head, tail, head is another possibility. Why? Because 2 heads are there. Then tail, head, head is another possibility. So total how many are there? 4 possibilities are there. So answer will be N of A will be what? N of A will be 4. N of S is already what? 8. So it will be what? 4 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. Okay. That is regarding our tossing a coin part. Now coming to the, when we are tossing head, when we toss coin, when we toss coin for n times, what is the probability of getting heads and tail alternatively? Alternatively means what? First time I toss, I'll get head. Second time, tail. Then head. Then tail. Then head. Then tail. Likewise, alternatively, there is a easy shortcut formula. That is what? 2 divided by 2 raised to n. Now, my question regarding this is, what is the probability of getting heads and tail alternatively if I toss coin for 10 times? 10 times if I toss, what is the probability of getting head and tail alternatively? Answer will be what? 2 divided by 2 raised to 10. So answer will be 1 divided by 2 raised to 9 will be your answer. Okay. Now coming to the most important part, tossing a die or rolling a die. Okay. So if I roll a die for one time, what are the possibilities? One is I'll get 1. Okay. That means the number I'll get from rolling a die will be 1. Then another possibility is 2. Then another possibility is 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, I have n of s is equal to how much? 6 possibility. Now, in general, I can say that if I toss a die for n times, I can say n of s is equal to 6 power n. In the first case, when I toss for 1 time, 6 raised to 1 is how much? 6. Now, when I toss it for 2 times, it will become what? 6 raised to 2, which is equal to 36. So the possibilities are written here. When I toss for the first time, I got 1. Then second time also I got 1. Likewise, I have 1, 1. Then 1, 2. Then 1, 3, 1, 4, etc. till what I have the 6, 5, 6, 6. What do you mean by this 6, 6? When I toss the die for the first time, I got a 6. Second time also I got what? 6. So answer is 6, 6. Now, if you know this much, well and good. But most of the question will be in another pattern. That is with respect to the sum of numbers on top of a die. For example, question will be like this. When I toss a die for 2 times, or they will ask it like this. If 2 people are tossing die for 2 dice they are tossing. Okay. Then sum of numbers on top is how much based on that questions will be there. I'll tell you what are the possible sums. Okay. People, think about it. You are tossing the first die, you got a 1. And you are tossing the second die, you got a 1. So sum is how much now? 1 plus 1, which is equal to how much? 2. So minimum sum is what? Minimum sum is 2. Okay. Now if I ask you, you are tossing first die, you got 6. Second die, you got 6. So maximum sum is how much? 12. So always the sum will be in between 2 and 12. Remember this. Okay. Now another possibility will be what? 3. 1, 2 and 2, 1 will give what? 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. We will always write 7 in the middle. You know the shortcut. We already learned. Yes. Then 8. Then 9. Then 10. Then 11. Okay. Now my first question. How many times I'll get 2? Only one time. Which is that time? When I toss, I got 1, 1. Okay. When I toss die for 2 times, I got 1, 1. That is the sum I got as 2. How many times now? 1 time. Then 3. I got it for 2 times. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Till there it is fine. Now after that onwards, it will be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So remember this, people. It's very easy to do questions based on this. I'm telling you, whatever may be the question inside the exam hall, with this logic, you will be able to solve it very fast. Hello, Sumana. Hello. Yes. Now, my next question. What is the probability of getting a sum 7 when 2 dice are thrown? What is the probability of getting a sum 7 when 2 dice are thrown? People, n of a is equal to how much here? That is 7 is happening how many times here? 6 times. So n of a is equal to 6. Okay. Then n of s is already we know. When 2 dice are thrown, it is 6 square, which is equal to how much? 36. So P of A will be how much? 6 by 36. Answer will be 1 by 6. Or in calculator, whatever is the decimal value you are getting, more than good. Okay. Yes. Can I go for the first question, people? Okay. And one more question I'll give. Yes. What is the probability that the sum is greater than 10 when 2 dice are thrown? Sum is greater than 10 means 10 is included or not? 10 is included or not? 10 is not included. That means which all values are there? 11 and 12 are there. But people, n of a will be how much? 11 happens how many times? 2 times. Then 12 happens how many times? 1 time. So n of a will be what? 3. So answer will be 3 divided by 36. Okay. So this is the logic we will be using. I'll take you to the first question. Have a look at this question, people. Or have a look at this question, people. Yes, when what's the plan for revisions? We are planning to revise all the. So I'll just tell you. I'll brief what we are going to do in the. In next 1.5 months. Our plan is very simple. The thing is, we will be solving. We will be having quick revision of each and every chapter. All the chapter we will have quick revision with extra questions. Okay, whatever we have not solved previously, we will be solving now. Then along with that, we will be solving the entire ICA additional question bank of all the chapters we will be solving, and it will be available in YouTube also. It will be available for everyone. That is the plan for the revision, and we are going to crack the May examination with very good marks. Okay. Yes. Now the first question, people. What is the probability of getting 7 or 11 when 2 dice are thrown? Or means what? The plus. Now we need to just check. 7 or 11. 7 is in the middle. 7 happen how many times? 6 times. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. So 9, this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. People, getting a sum 7. How many times now? 6. Plus getting a sum 11. How many times? 2 times. Then divided by what? 36. Answer will be what? 8 divided by 36. Yes. Are you taking in DLR 4? No, I'm taking in DLR 1. Come back to this class, please. Yes. Yes. Next one. 2 perfect dice are thrown. What is the probability that 1 appears at least in one of the die? 1 appears in one, at least in one of the die means 1 should be there in any one of the die. 1, 1. That is 1. Okay. 1 possibility. Then 1, 2. There is another possibility. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. That is 5 possibilities. Similarly, 2, 1. That is, that is 6 possibility. Then 2, 1, 7th one, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in total, people, n of a is equal to how much? N of a is equal to 11. Then n of s is already, we know how much is it? 6 square, which is equal to 36. So answer will be what, people? P of a is equal to 11 by 36. Which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Yes. Now my next question. What if the question was like this? At least 6 appears in any of the die. Same answer. 11 by 36. At least 2 appear in any of the die. 11 by 36. At least 5 appear in any of the die. 11 by 36. How long is the revision going to be every day? 1 hour. 1 hour. We are planning for 1 hour. I don't want to ruin your entire sleep and all. Okay. Yes. Just 1 hour every day. Yes. Okay. Whenever I'm scheduling. Okay. That's the main thing. Yes. Next question, people. Yes. How long? Yes. All the questions are addressed. Rest of you. 2 different dice are thrown simultaneously. Then probability that sum of 2 numbers appearing on top of the die is 9. People, sum of 2 numbers appearing on top of the die. We will draw the arc. 7 happens 6 times. Then 8, 9. Till there only we require, right? 5, 4. So, sum of 9 happens. How many times the n of a will be what? 4 times. Then n of s is anyway, we know that it is equal to 36. So P of A is what? 4 by 36, which is equal to how much, people? 1 by 9. Which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Yes, please sit, sir. Next one is over here. A good question. If 2 unbiased dice are rolled, what is the probability of getting neither 3 nor 6? Neither 3 nor 6 means what? What did I teach you? When it is like neither 3 nor 6 means P of neither 3 nor 6 can be written as 1 minus P of either 3 or 6. Very easy. So 1, why are we choosing 1 here? Because total probability will always be how much? 1. 1 minus of P of either 3 or 6. People, sum should be, getting points means getting sum. Okay. Sum of 3. How much time we should check? 7 is here. Then what all things are there? 6 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, then 3 is there. Then, what did I write? 5, 4, correct only, right? 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Likewise, it is 3 is happening. How many times we need to check? 3 is happening how many times now? 2 times. Then 6 is happening how many times? 5 times. Because 6 will be here, then 5 will be there. Now you tell me. 3 happens. Sum is 3. How much is the probability? 2 divided by 36 plus sum is 6. How much is the possibility? 5 divided by 36. People, how much is it then? 1 minus 7 by 36. Answer is how much? Take the LCM or use your calculator. Get me the answer. So I can hear the sound low. Is the sound proper online, everyone? Can you just tell me? How much is the answer? 0.80. Which option is the right answer? Option D. Rest of you, can you confirm whoever is attending online? Is the sound fine? Or should I increase the voice? It was correct, right? Previously? Yes. Can you confirm, rest of you? Sir, okay. Fine. Perfect. Done. Next one. Sumana, just check your device once. Try to restart. Then everything will be fine. Okay. Voice is clear. Perfect. Yes, Swati. Next one, people. We will talk about cards also. But I am taking questions which are very important. Okay, for revision, that's what I am doing. I am doing extra. Whatever we have done, have not done there, we will do it here extra. Okay, with the same concept, with more questions. That's the plan. Now, total number of cards. How many cards are there in total? 52 cards are there in total for us. We know about that. 52 are there in total. Now, out of that, 26 are red. Then, the 26 are black. We know about that already. Now, out of that, there are 9 number cards in each suit. That means 9 spades number card will be there, 9 diamond number cards will be there, 9 heart number card will be there, 9 club number cards will be there. Similarly, what are face cards now? Basically, who are having a face? King, queen and jack, they are having a face. So, these are face cards. How many kings are there, people? 4. Queen, 4. Jack, 4. Everyone, they are 4 each because one from each suit will be there. Okay. Now, my first question, what is the probability of getting a king? N of A is how much? N of A is equal to 4. N of S is equal to how much? 52. Answer will be 4 by 52. Yes, Kumaran, right. 4 by 52 is the case. Now, my next question. Probability of getting a face cards. Face card is how much when a card is drawn one time. Okay. Answer is how much? How many face cards are there in total? How many are there in total? 12 divided by 52. Likewise, you can write and rest of it you can just use calculator. Okay, just use calculator. Now my important question. Probability of drawing 2 kings, or I will write it as probability of getting a king when 2 cards are drawn. 2 cards are drawn. Very important. Okay. Probability of getting a king when 2 cards are drawn. People, till now, we were solving questions like when 1 card is drawn. When 1 card is drawn, people, our N of S will be what up. When 1 card is drawn, combination formula, NC1 should be the case. So it will be what? 52C1. That's why it is becoming 52 in the previous cases. Okay. When 2 cards are drawn, N of S will be what? 52C2. Okay. 52C2 means what? 52 into 51 divided by 2 factorial. How much is it? 52 into 51 divided by 2, which is equal to how much? 1326. So denominator here will be 1326. Now people, numerator will be what? We need to get a king when 2 cards are drawn. We can take it like 4C2 itself because we are aiming to have king when 2 cards are drawn. So 4C2 will be the numerator. 4C2 will be what? 4 into 3 divided by 2. It will be 6 divided by 1326. That way you can write it. Okay. Question will always be like probability of getting 2 kings. Okay, it will be like this, probability of getting 2 kings when 2 cards are drawn. So new denominator, yeah.
How 6?
It will be like how many kings are there in total? 4 kings are there. So I am taking,
4.
okay, it will be what? 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial. Cancel, cancel, which will be what? 6. That's how it is becoming 6. So we have covered that part also. What if they ask like that? Okay, yes. Now we are going for the next one, which is our general formulas. We should know the sum formula. What is the, whenever the question is like at least or either or, we are using what? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. But will we use this formula for word problem? No. We will be using our logical method. Yeah, at least means what? If one person is there, other person won't be there. Likewise, we will be solving. Okay, we will not be using this formula directly for word problem. I'll show you how we are going to do. Anyway, if you don't remember or not, let's see. We will check. Now, for mutually exclusive event, intersection value will be what? 0. Very important. People, for mutually exclusive, the A intersection, probability of A intersection B will be 0. Then, P of A union B will become what? P of A plus P of B. Why did it become P of A plus P of B? Because this intersection value is becoming what? 0. Now people, next question. Exhaustive events. Exhaustive event means the probability of A union B will be equal to what? 1. Remember this, very important word question. Direct one word questions can be there. Okay. For A exhaustive event, what is the probability of A at least A or B? Or they will ask either A or B. What is the answer? Answer is 1. P of A union B is equal to what? 1. Then, what if it is mutually exclusive and exhaustive? So, the formula will be what? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now, people, A union B will become what? 1 because it is exhaustive. Then, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B will become what? 0. Answer will be what, people? 1 is equal to P of A plus P of B. So we are not mugging up the formula if you ask me. We are just remembering it with our chapter 7. Okay, with respect to that we are learning. But we will not use this formula directly for word problems. That also I am telling you right away. Now people, conditional probability. P of A given B. Probability of A given B is what? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Now, what if the question is like this? P of M given N. How will you write it? P of M intersection N divided by P of N. So, whatever is already occurred, whatever event has already occurred will be there in the denominator. Remember that. Okay. With this logic, we will try to solve some question. Have a look at this first question. Consider two events, A and B, not mutually exclusive. Not mutually exclusive means what? Their intersection value is not equal to 0. They are just telling that right away to us. Then, such that P of A is equal to 1 by 4. P of B is equal to 2 by 5. P of A union B is equal to what? 1 by 2. Then P of A given B. What is P of A given B? P of A given B can be written as P of A intersection B divided by what? P of B. Do you have P of B? Yes, I have P of B. But do you have P of A intersection B? I don't have P of A intersection B. How will you find that? P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus what? P of A union B. Substitute the values over here, people. P of A is how much now? P of A is equal to 1 by 4. P of B is how much? 2 by 5. Minus P of A union B is how much? 1 by 2. People, how will you solve it using calculator without using your what? Without using LCM, we will use calculator. Take your calculator. Everyone clear the memory. How to clear memory? I am just reminding everyone. Click MRC 2 times. Clear the memory, okay? Then, 1 divided by 4, M plus 2 divided by 5, M plus 1 divided by 2, M minus, because the sign in front is what? Minus. Then click MRC. Samir, how much you got after clicking? 0. Everyone got 0.15. So that is your A intersection B. P of A intersection B is equal to 0.15 divided by P of B is how much? Now 2 by 5 is how much, people? 2 by 5 is 0.4. Yes. So how much is the answer? 0.15 divided by 0.4, which is equal to 0.375. Which option is giving you 0.375? Just check and tell me. 3 divided by 7 is giving you how much? Tell me. Which option is giving you the answer? Please tell me. So 0.15 divided by 0.4, which is equal to 0.375. Which option is giving you the answer? None of the above. But will you sit and cry? No, we will go for the nearest answer. Which is giving the nearest answer? 3 divided by 7 is how much? 3 divided by 7 is 0.4285. Then 2 by this is 0.2. This is what? 0.1. This is what? 3 divided by 20 is 0.15. Which is the nearest value towards 0.35. Option A is the answer. Okay, that's why this is a good question. You will think that, oh, where I went wrong, I'll go back again and again and I'll check one by one. Okay, yes. Now people, coming to the next part, this question. Can you solve it for me? Everyone online, you got it? Swati, Sumana, Kumaran, Sridhar, yes, Ram, Sai Ramana, Nakshatra, everyone got it? Devi, you got it? Lakshmi, everyone? Yes. Now people, look here. P of A union B is equal to P of A. Then we need to find the value of what? P of A intersection B. What is the formula for P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, which is equal to how much as per the question? P of A. Cancel things. P of A got cancelled. Then minus goes to this side. So P of B is equal to P of A intersection B. So what is the value of P of A intersection B? Option D, P of B is your answer. I hope you understood that. Very good question. Okay. Very simple question, but very good also. Next one, people. Have a look at this. Everything is given. Direct question. P of A is given. P of B is given. P of A intersection B is given. Direct. Pakka direct. Question is what? Find P of A given B. P of A given B is nothing but P of A intersection B divided by what? P of B. Now P of A intersection B is what? 0.25 divided by P of B is how much? 0.35. Get your calculator, people. Get me the answer. Option C. 0.714. Option C is your answer. Everyone got the same answer, people? Any other answer? Please tell me. Arnav, you are getting it? Yes. Next one, people. Have a look at this question. If P of A is equal to 2 by 3, what is given? 2 by 3 is the value of P of A. P of B is equal to 3 by 5. P of A union B is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Then find the value of P of A given B. Sometimes it will be written, instead of writing P of A by B, they can write it as also what? P of A by B. Read the same way. Okay. P of A given B. Don't think that ratio of A and B and all are taken. Don't even think that. Okay. Now, people, what is the formula for that? For finding P of A given B, we need to apply the formula P of A intersection B divided by what? P of B. Now, first of all, what is A intersection B? Do you have the value? We need to find it using our calculator. We will find using our calculator. How to find the value? P of A intersection B is nothing but P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Take your calculator, people. Clear the memory first. How to clear memory? Clear using MRC to use how many times? 2 times. P of A is 2 divided by 3 m plus. Then 3 divided by 5 m plus. Okay. Then 5 divided by 6 m minus. Then click MRC. How much you got? 0.43333333, right? That is your numerator. Now, people, what is our denominator? P of B is our denominator. So what is P of B? That is 3 divided by 5, which is 3 by 5 is how much, people? 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So we need to divide this entire thing with 0.6. Get me the answer. MRC, type MRC, divide by 0.6, which is equal to 0.72222222. Which option is giving you that? 7 divided by 12 is how much? That is 4.58. 5 divided by 12 is how much? 0.41, then 1 divided by 2 is how much? 0.5. Then 1 by 4 is how much? 0.25. Which is the nearest answer, people? 7 by 12 is how much? Yes. So nearest answer is nearest answer. Okay. Nearest answer. Now that's what I am trying to tell you guys. There are questions with always nearest answer. Okay. Usually questions like this will have nearest answer. But you will think that, oh, what's happening? I'm not getting the answer. You will start doing a lot of other steps again and you will not get the answer. You will be losing some other marks. Okay. Don't do that. Next one, people. Let A and B be two events with P of A is equal to 2 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 4, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 12, P of B by A, P of B divided by A or P of B given A, okay, which is equal to what? P of B intersection A, or I can write it as P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Get me the answer, people. P of A intersection B is how much now? 1 by 12. Anyway, I'll do it in the normal way. Divided by P of A is how much? 2 by 3. Now, if I want to convert this or I want to convert this into format, how will I do it? The reciprocal I'll take. So, which is equal to 1 by 12 into 3 by 2. Now, get me the answer. Cancel this. Answer will be what? 1 by 8. 4 into 2 will become what? 8. Option C is the answer. Or you will do what way? Using calculator, we will solve it. Okay? Yes. I hope everyone understood this. Option A. Which one though?
C, 1 by 8.
C only, right? 1 by 8. Ah, previous one. Okay, fine. Yes. Next one. Get me the answer. P of A union B is equal to 0.8. P of A intersection B is equal to 0.3. Then find the value of P of A plus P of B. Very easy. What is the formula we know? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now P of A union B is how much? 0.8. P of A plus P of B we need to find. Anyway, everyone knows the answer, but still get me the answer faster, which is equal to minus 0.3. Okay, now if this goes to the other side, what will happen now? It will become 0.8 plus 0.3, which is equal to P of A plus P of B, which is equal to how much? You tell me. 1.1. Is the question correct? Yes. Can 1.1. What is the maximum value of probability now? The total probability will be how much? 1. Can it be more than 1? No. You will get a grace mark for a question. Okay. Are you getting the point? Yes. So my major aim with this revision is what all possibilities can be there for examination also. Sometimes I think you have seen many YouTube videos will be like, after this question, this much grace mark. There will be wrong questions. Most of the cases there will be wrong question. I want to make you guys understand the wrong question also. What to do when a wrong question come into the picture. What will you do for this question? Even if you mark or you don't mark, you will get the mark for this question because this is completely wrong. Okay, this question is completely wrong. Now, what if for the previous question, this question, we got an answer like 0.722, but in none of the options that answer is there. So we will mark what? We will mark the nearest answer. Okay, if question is wrong, even if you don't mark, you will get the grace mark. But if the answer is wrong, I mean if the options are wrong, you should mark the nearest option. But in blood relation and all, we can't do anything. Okay, that time you will get the marks. Yes. Have a look at it, people. Probability. This is the logical way of we are going to do the question in a completely logical way. We will not use the formula. Whenever word problem is coming into the picture, we will use logic. Okay, first one. Let's see. Everyone, let's see. Arun and Tarun appeared for an interview for 2 vacancies. They are appearing for the 2 vacancies role. Okay. Probability of Arun selection. That means P of Arun I am using A. Okay. P of Arun selection is equal to 1 by 3. Then you tell me what is the complement or Arun not getting selected is how much now? Probability of Arun not getting selected. 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to how much from here? 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Okay, taking LCM, it will become 2 by 3. So that is P of A. Then what is it now? This is 2 by 3. Okay, P of A and P of A complement. Okay, A complement means what? not A. Okay. Now, probability of Tarun selection is what? The 1 by 5. Then, Tarun not getting selected, that means Tarun complement not getting selected is how much? 1 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to how much? 4 by 5. So we have two values. Now the question is what? You read the question carefully. Find the probability that only one of them will be selected. Only one of them will be selected means case 1. Okay, case by case I'll write. Tarun selected. Tarun selected and Varun, not Varun, what is his name? Arun not selected, or I will use the word first Arun itself because we are starting with that, right? Arun selected and means which symbol we will use? Into, or means we will use plus, and Tarun not selected. Next one, or case 2. In case 2 what can happen? Tarun selected, T is selected, and Arun not selected, Now, A selected means we will take P of A into, and means into. Then Tarun not selected means P of T complement we will take. Or means what? In whenever or is coming to the picture, we will put a plus sign. Then Tarun selected, what is that? P of T. Then and means into mark. Then Arun not selected means P of A complement. Put the values, people. P of A is how much? 1 by 3 into, but Tarun not selected is 4 by 5 plus Tarun selected is 1 by 5 into Tarun not selected is 2 by 3. Now people, the in denominator is how much? 15. Both the cases it is 3 into 5 15, 5 into 3 15. So 1 into 4 is how much? 4 plus 1 into 2 is how much? 2. Answer is how much? 8 by 15. Which is the answer, people? Have a look here. Which is the answer? 6 by 15, right? 6 by 15. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. 6 by 15. So 6 by 15 is how much, people? Cancelling with 3. You will get it as 2 divided by 5. Which option is the right answer? Have a look here. Which option? 2 by 5. Option E. I hope everyone understood this. Yes. So this is the logic we will use. If the question was at least, you will take case 1, Arun selected, Tarun selected. Case 2 is Arun selected, Tarun not selected. Then case 3 is Tarun selected, Arun not selected. We will just use the formula instead of our A, B of A union B and all. We will not use. Okay. Now, have a look here. Because I directly went to what? Independent variable. Okay. I didn't even talk about independent variable because we don't need to talk about it. Directly we can solve questions based on that. Yes. Because we are revising. That is the main thing. Now look at this question. Probability of a cricket team winning a match in Kanpur is 2 by 5. P of K is equal to 2 by 5. Then losing, before that, probability of losing in Kanpur will be what? 1 minus 2 by 5 will be 3 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 will be 3 by 5. Then probability of losing a match means what? The losing we will directly take it as complement. Losing a match in Delhi is 1 by 7. Then probability of winning in Delhi will be what? 1 minus 1 by 7, which will be 6 by 7. Yes. So if you don't mind, I did not understand the question. Explain once more time. Sumana, I'll do that towards the end of the class. Can you just name the question number? That will be helping me because some lag will be there in the class. I mean the YouTube streaming. So just mention it. I'll explain it towards the end. Okay. Now, what is the probability of the team winning at least one match? Whenever at least one is coming into the picture, P of at least one, winning at least, right? Winning at least one match is equal to 1 minus probability of not winning any match. Correct? So probability of at least 1 is 1 minus probability of 0 using that logic. Okay. Now 1 minus not winning any match means what? In Kanpur they will not win, and in Delhi they will not win. So 1 minus P of K complement into P of D complement, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 7, which is equal to how much? 1 minus 3 by 35. Get me the answer, people. Take LCM. 32 divided by 35. Which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Got it? Understood this? Yes. So at least, whenever at least one come into the picture, we will use what? 1 minus probability of at least 1 is always taken as 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. We will use that in theoretical distribution also. Okay. Yes. Next one. The probability of a person getting qualified for two different entrance exams are 1 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, that is the probability of him qualifying for two different entrance exams. So P of first exam is how much? 1 by 3. Okay, then P of losing the first exam is what? 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Then probability of winning or probability of getting the second examination is how much? 3 by 4. Then probability of not getting the second examination will be 1 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Find the probability that he would get qualified in one of the two examinations. One of the two examination means case 1 I'll take. Okay. First case. He qualifies in qualify first exam and disqualify what? Disqualify second exam. Okay. Or case 2. Qualify second exam then and disqualify first exam. Then or case 3 can be what? One of the one exam, he can qualify both the examination also, right? Yes, he is qualifying both the examination. That is qualify both. Okay, now we will take qualify first examination means P of A into P of B complement plus P of B into P of A complement. Then over means plus P of A into P of B. Now you take your calculator or write the values directly. P of A is how much? 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 into A complement is how much? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into what? 3 by 4. Get me the answer, which is equal to, first case will be 1 by 12 plus 6 by 12 plus 3 by 12, which is equal to 10 by 12, which is equal to how much? 5 by 6. Which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. So using this logic, we can solve any question. Okay. Now I'll come to the base of this part. Independent event. What will happen in independent event, people? P of A intersection B will be equal to P of A into P of B in independent event. Always remember that. We have discussed it multiple times, but still I'm just giving a hint. Okay, now people, if you are attending online and seeing it for the first time, I'll attach another video in the description in the future. I mean, after the live, I'll attach one description, one video. You can check that video. The full class will be there in that video. You can use that. Okay, yes. Then you can watch this. That will be much better. Now coming to leap year and non-leap year. It's just a revision part. Now, what is happening now in leap year? How many days are there in total? In total, there are 3. Non-leap year, there are 365. In leap year, how many are there? 366. Now, I'll tell you the pattern of question, then I will explain the concept. The questions will always be like this. Probability. Find the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a non-leap year. Okay, that is the way they will ask the question. Like 53 Sundays in a non-leap year. Why, people, 53 Sundays? If you take this 365 days, right? If I divide it with 7, that will be using our second standard division. It is 5, 35. What is remaining? 1. Then 5 is coming down. Then 7 into 2 is 14. 1 remaining day will always be there, right? So 52 Sundays are already there. Then 1 extra day can be there. Okay, that is the possibility. So sample space will be that one extra day. That one extra day can be what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, or Saturday. Any of the given days can be that one extra day. So the question will be probability of getting 53 Sundays in a non-leap year. Answer will be what? 1 divided by 7. Why 1 divided by 7? Because we will only think about that extra one day. We will not think about the entire 52 and 53. Yes, we will only consider that extra one day. That extra one day can be what? Any of these 7 days. That's why answer is 1 by 7. That is mentioned over here. Have a look here. So here total days are 365. One extra day can be there, or odd, one extra odd day can be there. That can be either be a Sunday or Monday or Tuesday. That's why n of s is equal to how much? 7. Then here intersection is not there. That I'll speak with respect to leap year. Okay. Now coming to leap year, there are 366 days. If I divide it with 7 days, why are we taking 7 days? Because we are considering week. Every week there are 7 days. So we should know how many days are there in total in a week. 7 days are there in a week. That's why we are dividing. So it is how much now? 5s are 35. 1, 6. Then 2s are 14. What is remaining? 2 is remaining. So there can be 2 extra days remaining. Okay. So that 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. Likewise, it can be there. Now sample space is how much? 7. I'll tell you how the question will be. Probability of getting 53 Sundays in leap year. What is the number of Sundays in leap year? There are 2 possibilities. That is Saturday, Sunday is there, then Sunday, Monday is there. So 2 divided by 7 will be your answer. What if the question is like probability of getting 53 Wednesday in a leap year? 53 Wednesday in a leap year. 53 Wednesday will be what? Yes, 2 by 7. 53 Tuesday will be what? 2 by 7. If it is leap year, 2 by 7. If it is non-leap year, 1 by 7. Remember it like that. Now, what if the question is like this? Probability of getting 53 Sundays or 53 Mondays in a non-leap year. I'll write it. Probability of getting 53 Sundays or 53 Mondays in a non-leap year. Non-leap year. That means nothing but whenever or is coming into the picture, probability of getting 53 Sundays plus probability of getting 53 Mondays, which is how much now? 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7. What if the question is like this? Probability of getting 53 Sundays or 53 Mondays in a leap year. That is nothing but P of 53 Sundays plus P of 53 Mondays minus P of, that means there is intersection between Sunday and Monday, right? One intersection is there in leap year. That Sunday, Monday we need to reduce. So answer will be what? 2 by how much? 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Answer will be what? 3 by 7. So these are the possible questions from this. Okay. So I think leap year and non-leap year everyone is aware. Similar to that, we have 3 events A, B and C. So you need to remember the formula. But I'm telling you, even if you don't remember the formula, you can use the same logic, whatever we used in our previous word problem, and get the answer. For example, I'll give a question with respect to that. Anyway, then random variable is only pending. So probability will be completed with this last example. Okay. Yes. So for random variable, I'll keep a separate day for that. Now, here, the question is like this. Tell me one name. Oh, yes, tomorrow. Anyway, when is the match? Tomorrow is the match. Day after tomorrow. Okay. So I'll take probability of India, or I'll probability of winning if Abhishek is there is 3 by 5. Probability of winning if Sanju is there is 4 by 5. Yes, biasness is there. probability of winning if Surya is there, which is equal to 6 by 7. Okay. So winning the match is what? The probability of Abhishek batting and India winning is 3 by 5. Probability of Sanju batting and India winning is 4 by 5. Probability of Surya batting and India winning is 6 by 7. Okay. Now the question is like this. Probability of India wins if any of, at least, I'll use the word, at least one of them bat. Okay, probability of India winning if at least one of them bat. People, at least one of them bat means we will use the what? The 1 minus probability of none of them bat. Okay, now people, probability of Abhishek is how much? 3 by 5. Probability of A complement, him not batting, is how much? 2 by 5. Then probability of Sanju not batting is how much? 1 by 5. 1 by 5, right? 1 minus 4 by 5 is how much? 1 by 5. Then probability of Surya not batting is how much now? Which is not equal to, complement is how much? 1 by 7. So, which is equal to 1 minus P of A complement into P of Sanju complement into P of Surya complement. So, which is equal to 1 minus A complement is how much now? 2 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. Get me the answer, people. Which is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by 5 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 175. So 175 minus 2 divided by 175, which is 173 divided by 175. So this logic we can solve any question. Okay. Yes. Got the point?
So mainly that 1 minus probability.
Whenever at least is coming into the picture, we will use that. Now, what if I change the question a little bit? As a final question, I'll change it a little more bit. We have the probability. P of Abhishek is was how much now? P of Abhishek is 3 by 5. P of Sanju is how much? 4 by 5. Then I'll use another word. P of Tilak I'll keep. Okay. Tilak is 6 by 7. Now the question is probability of India wins. India win if only one of them play. Okay, one of them play. That means case 1, people. Case 1. First case is Abhishek is playing, Sanju is not playing, into Tilak is not playing. That is the first case. Or second case, Abhishek is not playing, Sanju is playing, then Tilak is not playing. Or
Case 3.
Case 3 is what? Abhishek not playing, into Sanju not playing, into Tilak playing. So put the values, you will get the probability of only one of them playing. Okay. So these are the type of question, people, you might get for examination. Okay. Very easy chapter, but none of them will study thinking that it's very complicated. Too many formulas are there, but I'm telling you, even though formulas are there, it is easy formulas. Not like the formula, certain formulas we know, right? Yes. Very easy formulas. So today's session, we are winding up. Then in the next session, mostly tomorrow, we will be going with random variables. We will be finishing random variables. Then I'm also planning, anyway, tomorrow I'll send another video regarding the revision test paper. I'll solve the recent revision test paper for the attempt and I'll share it with you guys. Anyway, it will also be uploaded, mostly in a live or anyway, some video will be there for you guys. Okay, then see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Yes, thank you so much. Online everyone, thank you so much. Thank you for attending. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. Yes, this PDF will be attached in this video card description. Okay, you can download it from there. For others, I'll send in the WhatsApp group. Okay, fine.
Only probability.
Only probability. Yes. Probability extra, whatever we have done, along with that, extra questions. That's the case. Okay. Right now, Ram, I'll just upload it. Okay, once it is done. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Yes, Ramana, how's everything going? All fine? Yes. Bye bye. Huh? Samir, are you studying da? Pakka, how is law going for you? Yes. Law you are studying, right? Yes. Every day, right? And practice. Anyways, Take the challenge. Size challenge.
கொஞ்சம் இரிட்டேஷன் ஏரியா தான்.
Oh, is it?
நாலு பேர் இருக்க அவ்வளவு.
Is it? Fine. Yes. Okay then, we'll catch up. Bye bye people. Take care. Yes, good night.